Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today's recipe is
banana bread.
It's everybody's favorite. And I have my little helper, Talis. She is gonna learn how to master banana bread because it's also one of her favorites. Everybody knows how to make banana bread, but I want to show you an amazing banana bread and a secret why it's always delicious, rich and soft. Eggs in first, sugar, butter. You see, I did not put melted butter, and that's because it's part of the secret. Salt, cinnamon, yogurt, honey, banana bread without nutmeg. And now, the banana. I have a mixture of all-purpose flour and wholemeal flour. You know me, I just always like more goodness into whatever I do. Baking soda and baking powder. See, I'm alternating, it just makes it easier to work with. Oh, this is getting very, very heavy. Do you want to take over?
I'll leave it to you.
Oh my God, look at you, cheeky. And now?
It's ready for the oven.
Of course, you can put some nuts if you want, but I just prefer without. $170 degrees, 1 hour. Now it's ready. Let it cool a bit and then you turn it over on a wire rack.